We are outside the Gateway T light rail station in downtown Pittsburgh. This was built in 2012, and we have some Schindler elevators. Alright, so let's take a ride.
Due to construction, all buses and inbound light rail vehicles will be detoured around the
Platform.
Transit Tunnel.
This one's here.
A rail shuttle will
Elevator
operate
G1.
between Station Square Station and First Avenue Station.
Hey, we could do a race here.
We'll be lucky if we get to the bottom.
It's a hydraulics, which very slow.
Hopefully very reliable.
Yeah.
You can see all the scratch marks where people try to get out.
Oh wow.
Just kidding.
Let's go to street level, and now we'll switch to the other one.
If it works.
Door close button works like that. Ew, the floor's wet. What's the motor?
That might be hydraulic fluid.
No. The floor's wet. Just our basic mass transit style elevator. CJ Anderson, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Got some beautiful CJ Anderson. Here at the street, epic motor. Let's lay this one down. Oh wait, I think these are on separate controllers. Yep, there's on. Platform.
This one smells like the wash.
Outbound rail cars will experience delays.
Very slow door. Here we go. Very slow. Elevator G1. Nice dry power motors. Very loud announcements, my goodness. Street level. Oh, there's a light rail car. Very slow. Here we go, slot through the doors. Here we go. Ooh yeah, nice motor. That almost sounds like the Bloomingdale's at Tyson's Corner Mall.
Oh, you're right.
It sounds like Tyson's Corner Mall. Here at the street level. Watch it level.
Will be detoured around the Mount Washington Transit Tunnel.
We're gonna do a race after the launch door closes. There it goes. Very slowly. And that's it.